Logseq tags versus links. Which one should you be using to organize your notes? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down tags and links in Logseq so you can decide which one actually helps you stay more organized and connected in your knowledge base. Let's start with tags. In Logseq, tags are like little labels you add to pages or blocks. They help you group ideas together. For example, you can tag a note as number work or number health, and then find all related notes fast. It's great if you want to filter by topic or theme without changing how your notes are structured. Now let's talk about links. Links are all about connection. When you mention a page or block inside another note, Logseq automatically creates a link. That builds a web of ideas, making it easy to jump from one thought to another. If you're into building a second brain or using a graph-based system, links are your best friend. So which one is better? If you want simple organization and filtering, tags win. But if you're all about connecting ideas and exploring relationships between notes, links might be more powerful. Both work well together. So don't feel like you have to pick just one. Let me know in the comments how you use tags or links in Logseq. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.